Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Quran fast and easy. First, focus on the foundational steps. Start by learning the Arabic alphabet and its sounds, which is crucial for proper reading. Then, delve into tajweed rules to ensure accurate pronunciation and beautiful recitation. It is highly beneficial to find a qualified teacher or an effective online course to guide you through this sacred journey. Dedicate at least 15 to 30 minutes every single day for consistent practice. To make your learning more effective, break down the Quran into small, manageable sections, perhaps just a few verses at a time. Listen intently to recitations by expert qaris. This helps you internalize the correct rhythm and melody. Repetition is a powerful tool for memorization, so recite each section multiple times. Also, practice reading aloud regularly to strengthen your vocal muscles and enhance your recall of the verses. Consistency is key to rapid progress. Establish a regular daily schedule for your Quran study, even if it is just for 20 minutes. Create a quiet, dedicated space free from distractions where you can focus entirely. Make sure to review previously learned material frequently. This reinforcement is vital for long-term retention. Setting realistic, achievable goals, like memorizing one new verse each day, will help maintain your motivation and track your steady progress. To sustain your progress, try to understand the meaning of the verses you are learning. This deepens your connection and makes memorization easier. Consider joining a Quran study group for mutual support and encouragement from fellow learners. A fantastic way to solidify your own understanding is to teach what you learn to others. Finally, make sincere supplication, asking for ease and blessings in your journey of learning the noble Quran.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.